Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's try this again because I'm stumbling all over my words. So, I'm not sure if I uploaded the iridescent paints, the ones I did with the violets, the teal, the blue, and the yellow, because I kind of liked it, but I kind of didn't. So I'm kind of hoping to see how well it dries. If it dries really nice, then I'll work on the video and I'll upload it. But for now, we're going to be working on another swipe using the primary colors, the red, the blue, and the yellow. So that one and those two guys right there. And I'm primarily going to be using the black oxide Amsterdam paint because I'm running low on the white. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, let's rock and roll. Alright, so now the question is in what order to layer these. I want to start with the yellow, but I've been doing that lately, and I'm gonna go ahead and give red a chance. So we're gonna go ahead and pour a ring. Don't ask me why it's a ring of red right there. We're gonna dab some yellow. Damn it, I did it again. It's called blue, but I call it yellow. Ignore me, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a long decade. Wait, it's 2021. It's kind of an early decade. Anyways, we're gonna finish it off with the yellow on top and on the sides and all the way around. Why? Because we can. What? Need more blue? You got it. We're gonna follow that ring. We're gonna make that ring bigger. Alright, so now we're gonna add a little dab. I put iridescent paint gel on the outside of this because that way I won't get it confused with the actual ready to mix pour black, because I've done that before and I was like, what happened to my cells? They're not here. It's because I grabbed the wrong bottle. So we're gonna go ahead and add our little dab right there. And again, forgive my head, I gotta get in the way. Hopefully you guys can see this. You know what? Let's try something else. Let's try bringing it up to the camera. A little bit of funkiness, ladies and gentlemen. Little bit of funkiness. All that red went away, but we're gonna spin it out and see what we can't get to pop back out. All right, so let's rock and roll. Ooh. All kinds of funkiness going on in here, ladies and gentlemen. So since we kind of missed out on a little area right there, I'm just gonna go ahead and pick up some of this paint right here and just kind of dab it along the edges. You can't even tell. Well, I could tell. Crap. All right, whatever. It is what it is. Just ignore that little corner. Ignore that little corner right there. So ladies and gentlemen, I'll bring you in for a close-up and we're gonna see what's up. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we have our primary bloom, even though majority of the red is either hiding under all that blue or basically spun out. I'm guessing it's hiding, so hopefully it turns up, but who knows. But we got this incredible lacing and webbing effect going on around these areas. Very fine, very, very delicate. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. Okay, a lot of it? What the hell? Come on, bro. Forgive me, ladies and gentlemen. I record with my phone and it doesn't have that greatest of focusing. Oh wait, no, that's just me. But anyways, here we got, what is that, a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle? What's up, dude? Alright, so this light is really affecting the situation, but maybe if I turn one of these lights off, will that do anything? Can we get closer? No, not really. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I like it, but I wish it had a little bit more red to it. Let me zoom back out. Wish it had a little bit more red to it. And yeah, I like the yellow, the way it's fading and mixing, turning green in certain areas. That's the beauty of these primary colors, ladies and gentlemen. They come out so funky when they blend. A lot of micro lacing, a lot of it. Unfortunately, you can't really see it that well. You can see my reflection. Hello. But yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, ooh, look at that. That's pretty. That's so pretty. Sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Give the video a like if you liked it. Remember to subscribe, turn on all notifications, and yeah, let me know what you guys think. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.